Here we are, Focus Mark 2 smoked LED rear lights. These are for the hatchback. Let's open the box and see what they're like. Overall feel and build quality looks really good. Feels really high quality, not flimsy. The smoke lens is a really nice colour. And we can see we've got LEDs all the way, there's no bulbs. These are designed to be plug and play, so there's no wiring modifications needed. You've literally got a bayonet bulb here, what goes into your original bulb holder on the car, and the same here. And literally, that is it. We've got 2 scrolls. That's how they're mounted onto the car, here and here. Let's get to a car and see what they look like fitted.